Hey, what's going on YouTube? Today I'm going to show you how to fully load your Fire Stick with the best applications, that best apps, always updated, free movies, free shows, pay-per-view, all that content. You can do this on any Fire Stick. I'm doing this on the 4K. You can do it on the Max. You can do it on the Lite, whichever version of Fire Stick you're using, okay? The first thing off the bat, when we get our Fire Stick running, you should do the following thing. You should go to the settings right here, click on that settings icon, and once you're there, you're going to scroll to My Fire TV or My Device. Once you're there, you should see developer options, but a lot of people are not seeing the developer options. I'm going to explain everything in detail, how to see the developer options. So if you don't have developer options, that's okay. Go to About, and once you're in the About, okay, Fire TV Stick 4K, or whatever the name of your device is, click on it about 6 to 8 times. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. See, no need. You're already a developer. That's why I have developer options. Super simple to turn on. That's the first thing you should do. Once you've done that, go back and you'll see that I have developer options here, okay? So now you can go in developer options and you can make sure you have apps from unknown sources and turn it on and press the turn on button. Now I can install third-party applications and things like that. On the Amazon Fire Stick Max, it's a little bit different, very similar process, except you turn it on each individual level of the application in developer options. So you'll have applications listed here, like Downloader and others, and then you turn that on. Same concept, just a little bit shuffled around on the Max, okay? So once you turn that on, go back all the way to the home icon. And what you want to do now is you want to make sure you're connected to the internet, of course. Hit the search button, the find, and here in the search box, click inside there and search for an application downloader. You can use the Alexa remote, downloader, or you can type it in on your remote. So downloader right here. I just used the Alexa and then I clicked on downloader, so it is available, and then click on the download button. That's going to queue it and get the downloader application, okay? So once we get the downloader application, we need to get the unlinked application, okay? So I'm not going to open downloader yet. I'm going to hit the home button because this first step is necessary. Some internet service providers have been blocking access to the unlinked application to the store where you can get all the applications on all the things I'm going to show you, okay? So one way around it, we might as do it from the start. Make sure you do this. Go to Find and search for IP Vanish to make sure you're able to reach the unlinked site. Okay, so type in IP and then Vanish. Just like that. IP Vanish, just like that. Type it in. Once you do that, click on the IP Vanish. You'll see a logo like this, IP Vanish logo. Click on that logo, and then you're going to download and get the VPN. If this is not available from the search like I've done, if you're in some country that might be perhaps getting blocked as well, you can get the IP Vanish from the unlinked store. Once I install unlinked, I'll show you also where it is. Okay, so you can forward fast in the video if you cannot find IP Vanish, okay, and find that part. So IP Vanish is going to install, and once it installs, we're going to log in and stay protected, stay safe. What is IP Vanish going to do? It's going to give you more links to more content. It's going to unlock the access to the unlinked application because some people are reporting they cannot download it and install it on their Fire Stick. It's being blocked, so IP Vanish is going to unlock all that, okay? So I'm going to open up IP Vanish off the bat as soon as I download it here. It's going to say IP Vanish. I'm going to put in an email and password. Now, to get your own email or password, click the link in the pinned comment description or scan this barcode. It's going to take you to a link with a huge discount. Basically, IP Vanish is a cup of coffee a month, 1 cup of Starbucks or whatever you want to compare it to. Literally a few dollars a month. It's going to keep you safe, protected. It's going to give you access to unlinked. It's going to give you access to all the applications and all the content, and you're going to get the full use of your Fire Stick, okay? So the link below in the description and pinned comment, click that or scan this barcode with your phone. Sign up for an account. You're going to get an email confirmation from IP Vanish once you get your own account, and click on that email confirmation to verify it. To verify your email, then you input your email and password and you're ready to go. I'm going to log into mine, so you can pause the video right now, get yourself an account from these links and things you see here on the screen, the instructions here. Pause the video, get yourself an account, and then we'll continue to the other parts of the video. We'll get downloader, we already got. We'll get unlinked and downloader, and I'll show you how to use the unlinked application, okay? So get yourself an IP Vanish and then continue the video. So now I'm gonna log into my account and I'll show you how to use this, okay? So once you get yourself an account from the barcode or click in the link in the pinned comment description, the bit.ly link, you'll get this menu. Once you get that menu, when you first log in, I just logged in first, press OK, and then it's going to give you an option to connect. Well, first we're going to go to the gear icon. So go to the gear icon here by clicking the D-pad here, and we're going to say connect on the Android startup, and that's all we need to change here. Hit back. Now we're going to go to the location. This is the location. Click on the location button, and we're going to make sure that we're using the United States. So here's the last on the list, I believe. Using the United States server is going to run the most applications, going to give you the most access. Let's click on United States and press the connect to United States. Okay, so now my IP Vanish is going to connect. I'm fully protected, fully safe, and I can load all the applications, and I can get content that might be blocked in a lot of these applications in the Android store. Okay, press the home button. Now we're going to fully load the Fire Stick. So as you notice, we click the 3 squares and the plus button, and we have the downloader here that we downloaded earlier. Let's click on it. My IP Vanish is running. To get your account, barcode and links below, like I said. Okay, open up the downloader application, and it's going to take you to this. Press the allow button and press the OK button. Okay, click up here in the yellow thing and type in the following URL. So you're going to put an unlinked, right, just like that, unlinked, just exactly like that. If anything changes, always check the pinned comment and description. So I'm going to put an unlinked dot link, okay, exactly just like that. Put that in, and we're going to press the go button once we're done that. Unlinked dot link, press the go button. What's going to happen is going to take us to the unlinked website. You can see I can move my remote around. We have a D-pad, red thing, I can move it around. I want to move it around to download APK Android, and I want to click on that in the middle of the D-pad. What's going to happen is going to connect and it's going to download unlinked. So you can see it was successful. I was running the VPN. I was able to do it, okay? Press the install button. Unlinked is going to install. Once unlinked installs, I'm just going to now open it up, okay? And once you open up the unlinked application, it's going to take you to here. I'm going to give you my special library. Make sure you run your VPN. Cannot stress enough, okay? Make sure you get that discount through my barcode and through the links I provided earlier. Press the new library, and here's the code for my subscribers. The code is Firestick, okay? Lowercase, nothing else, okay? And if that code doesn't work, that means you don't have your VPN on. So make sure your VPN is on. Some people have been reporting that the code did not work. You do need to have your IP Vanish on sometimes, okay? Press the next button. Once you put in Firestick, lowercase, you're going to press the next button, and you're going to go into my store, okay? Make sure you read the welcome message. The welcome message is going to give you tons of information, and it's going to give you stuff that I recommend using and which ones to use for several things. Which ones to use for movies, which one to use for pay-per-views, which one to use for shows, which one you use for sports. Read the welcome message. Very, very important. Press the enter button. Okay, once you read the welcome message, enter my store. You will see all kinds of applications. Now, you can scroll up and down to get all these applications, okay? If you scroll up and down, you'll see which applications are good. We have a movies categories, pay-per-view categories, sports category, all the categories. My apps are always up to date and newest update. So today, I'm just going to show you how to install VirusTotal. This is the same process for any application in my store, and you can scroll up and down to get all the applications. Just as an example here, demonstration purposes, I'm installing VirusTotal, but it would be the same process for all other applications. You can scroll up and down in my store, okay? From the welcome message. Click the VirusTotal and press the download button, okay? And it shows you it would be the same process. Once the application downloads, you'll have an option to hit install app and then press the install button. If you're using the Fire Stick Max, you'll have to go to developer options, and then you have to turn on underneath unlinked, you have to turn on allow unlinked to install third-party applications. That's all similar process, just a little bit different, okay? Press the done button, and we've successfully installed that application. If you still don't have IP Vanish, it's also available in my store under Fire Stick Tools, and then you have all kinds of categories, like I said, if you scroll up and down, and you can get that as well, okay? So very easy to do. I just installed an application, and let's say you wanted to access that application, you would go to home, and then you would click the 3 dots plus sign, and then you would see that this application now is here. Unlinked is here. You can go back in any time. Downloader is here as well. You can go there. And IPVanish is running. We're fully protected. So to get IPVanish access, scan the barcode here, pin comment description, fully load your Fire Stick. I have over 50 apps in my store. I always keep them updated. You can go back to Unlinked at any time. I always keep my apps updated, up to date. You're gonna get the most content. Most stuff is gonna work with the IPVanish account. I just showed you VirusTotal as an example. Same process, fully loaded Fire Stick, third-party apps. Nothing is being blocked. Amazon still works. I'm bringing you this jailbreak, which is not really a jailbreak. It's a fully loading Fire Stick method. I'm showing you how to install an application on your Fire Stick. Still can be done. I have all the best apps in my store. Always updated. My method is the best, the quickest, and works all the time. If something's not working, drop a comment below. Hit a like, hit thumbs up. I really appreciate you guys. Let me know where you're from, where you're watching, and most important, tell me if it worked. If something doesn't work, always check the pinned comment and description. Thank you guys for being here. Thank you so much for watching me. Thank you for all the support. Thank you for all the love. I really, really appreciate it. And I'll see you all guys and girls in the next one. Take care.